F.A. Mitchell and Company is a small family business which has been operating now for over 60 years. Primarily involved with plywood and timber-based panel products, we have also diversified into specialised roofing material, from natural roofing slate and also to fibre cement replica slate. This example we have here is of fibre cement replica slate, which is manufactured in Europe by a large multinational company. It's called New Stonit, and it's one of the products we have supplied to many projects throughout Australia, but specifically to the King's School here in Sydney. Our brochure on the Eternit slate gives some excellent examples of where this roofing tile has been used. Anything from luxury homes through to heritage buildings, and also to commercial applications such as churches, schools, and in a particular instance the Conservatory of Music, which was re-roofed a number of years ago with an excellent example of the Eternit fibre cement roof. The King's School job where we supplied a New Stonit was specified by the architect Rick Butler as a pleasing appearance and something more stylish to what is normally used on school roofs and other roofs. It was installed by a qualified roof installer who is proficient in not only the products we supply but in natural slate as well, and we are quite willing to give anybody who's interested in a quote access to all these qualified roofers. The job was supplied and installed on time and within the recommended budget. The New Stonit slate, as I mentioned earlier, is a fibre cement product. It's made from Portland cement with reinforcing cellulose fibres and natural wood fibres. It does not have any asbestos in it. Suitability of this tile, we recommend a 25-degree minimum pitch, but we can go down to 20 degrees if it's not a long rafter length. This is particularly because, being a flat product, as you can see it's quite a flat product, we need a certain amount of pitch to allow water runoff, so we don't get a physical movement of water up underneath the slate. Stonit tiles themselves are completely waterproof. We are therefore relying on the installation to the Building Code of Australia, which stipulates that all roofing must have sarking underneath, and this product is no different. Well, this is a specially profiled edge of a tile made during the manufacturing process, and that gives it a similar look, as we said, with a natural slate, which again has a chipped profile. Again, fixing is straightforward, as we have earlier demonstrated. We have the pre-holed tile, which is then nailed directly onto your batten, and we have a smaller hole at the bottom which allows what we call a storm anchor, which helps to hold the tile down. So in areas where there's large wind velocity, especially up in northern Australia, it gives a greater security of the roof.